Welcome back to the Luxury Premium Vibe Showroom. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines advanced engineering with real-world comfort and practicality, you're in the right place. And if you enjoy premium, in-depth vehicle reviews, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss our latest releases. Today we're taking a closer look at something truly special, the all-new 2026 BYD DENZA D9, finished in an elegant Cosmos black. This is a luxury MPV that's designed to raise the standard for comfort, technology, and presence on the road. BYD's DENZA brand represents a more refined and premium approach to mobility. The D9 has quickly become known for delivering luxury, innovation, and smooth performance in a spacious MPV format. For 2026, the D9 has been further refined with subtle design updates, improved technology, and an even more polished driving experience. From the moment you see it, the DENZA D9 commands attention. The bold front grille, paired with sleek LED headlights, gives it a strong and confident look. Clean body lines and an aerodynamic profile help balance its size with elegance, while the Cosmos black finish adds a deep, sophisticated character. At the rear, the sharp and modern tail lights complete the design, giving the D9 a presence that feels equally suited to city streets and luxury travel. On the road, the DENZA D9 feels smooth, quiet, and effortlessly refined. Acceleration is seamless, power delivery is controlled, and the ride quality remains comfortable even over uneven surfaces. Whether you're navigating traffic or cruising on the highway, the vehicle feels stable, composed, and easy to drive. Step inside, and the focus on luxury becomes immediately clear. The cabin is spacious, modern, and thoughtfully designed, with high-quality materials throughout. A large central touchscreen controls most of the vehicle's functions, and the interface feels fast and intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep you connected without clutter, while excellent sound insulation creates a calm and relaxing interior environment. The seating in the DENZA D9 is designed for true long-distance comfort, especially for rear passengers who enjoy generous legroom and a lounge-like experience. The flexible seating layout makes it easy to switch between passenger comfort and cargo space, with plenty of room for luggage, business travel, or family trips. Safety plays a major role in the D9's appeal. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features work seamlessly in the background to provide confidence, control, and peace of mind on every journey. Behind the wheel, the DENZA D9 feels confident and well-balanced. Steering is precise for a vehicle of this size, cornering feels stable, and the suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease. It delivers a driving experience that feels relaxed yet controlled, making every trip comfortable for both driver and passengers. Overall, the 2026 BYD DENZA D9 in Cosmos Black offers an impressive blend of luxury, space, and advanced technology. It's built for those who value comfort, sophistication, and versatility without compromise. That brings us to the end of today's review. Share your thoughts in the comments, give the video a like, and subscribe to Luxury Premium Vibe for more premium automotive content. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.